चलिए.
So, hello guys, welcome to another podcast with Nitin here, and you are welcome on Crick Bucker. So, we have our two guests tonight, Shashank from Mumbai. He's a engineer, MBA, as you get all the folks from Calcutta. So, he's a marathon runner. If you go to his house, you will find medals all around. And guitar player, a singer. So we have a multi-talented guest tonight. And today, sorry. And on the other hand is Mayank, our in-house expert, opening batsman. And though I have only heard stories of him scoring hundreds, I have only seen him get out on zeros. And a very avid
Prithvi Shaw.
cricket follower. Yeah, so he's a Prithvi Shaw of our team.
Pretty sure.
Yeah, so without wasting any time, how important was it, guys, to bounce back from that historic defeat after 36 all out? The first hour, the first 15 minutes, it was very important for India to win that. So, what is your opening views, starting from Mank?
So yeah, very happy with team's performance. I remember in our previous podcast, especially I was very worried about our bowling. With Ishant, Shami, Bhuvi, Pandya, all four out, and then you are getting new bowlers in, debutant. So it was very scary. And Umesh Yadav has never been consistent. I think today also he was not consistent. Uh, the way Matthew Wade got runs off him, there were too many half volleys in between. Then there was a pitch in between, and then another half volley. So unless you are consistent, you won't really get wickets, right? So I think Umesh needs to really buck up. But I mean, it probably is a hindsight bias, but I don't know how Ajinkya's captaincy really worked, because you would always expect the first change bowler to be a seamer. And I was watching it, and 10 overs are up, and you are still playing 5-5 each. And I was like, okay, spinner is coming within 15 overs. And it was actually the 11th over they gave it to spinner. That was very surprising. It turned out to be a master stroke, but you don't know. Had it not gone, then you would have blamed him for the bad captaincy. So that's how it is.
Yeah,
And
we'll cover Rane's captaincy in details. But Shashank, by your first views, how important was it for India to win the first session? I mean, after 36 all out, the morals would have been so down.
Yes. So the setting would be chips are down. There is no Kohli, there is no Shami, and there are massive changes in the team. So probably 3 or 4 changes now. And Australia has won the toss now. So
yes.
and typical Melbourne pitch. So you expect batting wicket than more than a bowling wicket. So that's how it starts. And I personally feel that I was fortunate that I had a long run today. So I got up early and ensured that I watched right from the beginning. And I was pleasantly surprised with the way Rahane captained the side. Few small things, I could see people rallying behind. It appeared to me it's more inclusive than, we'll of course cover Rahane's captaincy later. But I think these things made a lot of difference. Of course, Bumrah is again, is a high impact bowler. And the way he started was fantastic. I mean, coming from looking at Indian bowling attack today, you feel pretty comfortable seeing these 3-4 bowlers rallying around. And they seized the moment actually. First session was killer, and the master stroke, as Mayank rightly pointed out, was bringing Ashwin early on. And he's a massive wicket taker, and I think it did the trick. So he picked Wade. Wade was very aggressive, and I think that may have given some indication to Rahane to bring Ashwin early on, because he was on an attacking mode. If you see his early innings, he was playing more like Gill and not living dangerously. He was actually playing very freely. And thankfully, Ashwin came at the right time. 11th over, was pleasantly surprised and did the trick. 2 wickets in the first session for Ashwin. Bumrah, of course. So 3 wickets in the first session. Nothing better that you could expect.
And a word on that catch from Jadeja, that could have been a
Yes.
collapse, but he held his nerves. So that is the value of Jadeja. I think that is what he brings.
Exactly.
Into
That's
the
the
team.
value.
And
So in my dream
that is
11,
what,
he is my captain today.
Okay.
He's
and
always
that is
you
what
know,
happens, right?
Yeah, go
With a youngster, right? He's a debutant, Shubham Gill. He's trying to prove himself.
make an impact.
He's running backward. It's not even his catch.
Yeah.
And Jadeja is also calling, it's mine. Wait. He's giving these signals, and still he's not waiting. He's just running. So, but yeah, had it been anyone other than Jadeja, I don't know what would have happened. And I think the most welcome thing was to see India not drop any catch.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, compare it to first innings of first test match and the whole limited over series. It was so great to see that we didn't drop any catches, and that's why we were able to get them below 200.
Yeah.
So,
In fact, all catches were good. If you see Rahane's catch, slip catch,
yeah.
the leg slip catch, those are not easy ones. Of course, it goes with the spin, but it is more reflex action. And
Yeah,
of course,
especially
starting with
leg slip.
Jadeja, and especially leg slip. So all these catches were good, and so thankfully India's ground fielding today has been very nice.
Correct. And Siraj too grabbed a couple of skiers, I think.
Yeah. Yes.
He
And
seems to be a nervous chap on his debut. Yeah.
Yeah,
He took one at I think long off or long on, and even those simple catches, if you take the other way, not the Indian way, it is more likely that you drop it. I mean, even Kohli dropped few catches the other side, and thankfully Siraj could grab on a couple of catches. One I think at third.
Third man and long on.
Third man and one at the long off or long on. So 2 good catches from Siraj. He's making a good impact today on his debut. I think that's again another section altogether. So we'll come to that.
Correct. So
there are too many things to talk about. I don't want to jump the gun. So maybe. Go ahead.
That's a good thing about sharing the questionnaire early. So we will stick to this topic. Yeah.
Right.
So